Welcome to Switzerland, a land of breathtaking mountains, serene lakes, and charming cities. Today we explore the top 3 must-visit destinations: Zermatt, Lauterbrunnen, and Zurich. Our journey begins in Zermatt, a picturesque alpine village at the foot of the iconic Matterhorn. Here, nature's grandeur is on full display, with towering peaks and crisp mountain air. As we wander the quaint streets of Zermatt, cobblestones lead us past charming chalets adorned with colorful flower boxes, a true snapshot of Swiss alpine life. For adventurers, the Matterhorn offers thrilling hiking trails. Imagine standing on a ridge, the wind in your hair, gazing at the jagged peaks that have inspired explorers for centuries. During winter, Zermatt transforms into a snow-covered paradise. Skiers and snowboarders carve their way down pristine slopes, while cozy chalets offer warmth and comfort after a day of adventure. Zermatt is a car-free village, enhancing its peaceful atmosphere. The soft jingle of horse-drawn carriages blends with the crunch of snow beneath your feet, creating a timeless alpine charm. Culinary delights in Zermatt are unforgettable. Sample fondue, raclette, and freshly baked pastries, paired with panoramic views of the Matterhorn, making each meal a feast for all senses. Next, we travel to Lauterbrunnen, a valley straight out of a fairy tale. Waterfalls cascade from towering cliffs, creating misty rainbows and a magical atmosphere that captivates every visitor. The Staudbach Falls is one of the tallest free-falling waterfalls in Europe. Feel the cool spray on your face as you admire the valley's lush green meadows and dramatic cliffs. In Lauterbrunnen, adventure awaits. Paragliders soar above the valley, offering a bird's-eye view of Switzerland's alpine splendor. The thrill and beauty are unmatched. The Trimmelbach Falls, hidden inside a mountain, reveals roaring waterfalls inside illuminated tunnels. Walking through the misty paths, you feel the raw power of nature up close. Lauterbrunnen is surrounded by 72 waterfalls, each with its own charm. The valley's tranquility, combined with dramatic cliffs and vibrant greenery, create a serene paradise for hikers and photographers alike. For thrill seekers, the Jungfrau region nearby offers skiing, snowboarding, and alpine adventures. Cable cars take you high above the valley, revealing breathtaking panoramas of the surrounding peaks. Now we arrive in Zurich, Switzerland's largest city, blending historical charm with modern sophistication. Explore the old town's cobblestone streets and the sparkling waters of Lake Zurich. Zurich is a cultural hub, home to world-class museums, vibrant cafes, and bustling markets. The city hums with life, offering experiences that combine tradition and modernity seamlessly. Stroll along Bahnhofstrasse, one of the world's most famous shopping streets, lined with luxury boutiques, elegant architecture, and charming cafes. Every corner of Zurich tells a story. Lake Zurich offers peaceful boat rides, reflections of the snow-capped Alps in its waters, and idyllic spots for picnics or sunset walks. The serenity of the lake balances the city's energy. Zurich's historic old town, Altstadt, is a maze of narrow streets, medieval buildings, and hidden courtyards. Explore artisan shops, quaint cafes, and centuries-old churches that showcase the city's rich heritage. When night falls, Zurich transforms. Lights glimmer on the Limmat River. Restaurants come alive, and the city pulses with nightlife, blending modern vibrancy with centuries of history. Switzerland's diversity, from alpine peaks to magical valleys and bustling cities, offers unforgettable experiences. Zermatt, Lauterbrunnen, and Zurich each have their own unique charm waiting to be discovered. Whether you seek adventure in the mountains, serenity in nature, or culture in cities, Switzerland provides a perfect blend of experiences that appeal to every traveler. From hiking trails to historical streets, waterfalls to lakes, each moment in Switzerland is a story waiting to be told, a memory waiting to be captured. Pack your bags, set out on this Swiss adventure, and immerse yourself in landscapes, culture, and experiences that you will never forget. Switzerland awaits.